My Lenten special. Filipinos are predominantly Catholic and we celebrate Lent. During Lent, we try to fast and we try to avoid eating chicken, pork, beef. So this episode will give you a meal that doesn't have chicken, pork, or beef. Today, I'm going to share to you one of the trending dishes back home. I see it often in Instagram, ordered by my friends, and I'm trying to mimic it here. So here's my episode on sushi bake. And for those who don't have ovens, I'm going to do also sushi no bake. Here are my ingredients. I'm going to separate the two sets of ingredients so that you will know what I'm going to use for the baked sushi and for the no-bake one. So for the no-bake one, I'm going to opt for the fruits. I'm going to use the avocado, mango, egg, and I'm going to put some cucumbers and carrots. For the bake one, I'm going to use my salmon, crab stick, canny. And to give it some crunch, I'm going to use still a little of the cucumber and my corn kernels. So to top these, for the meat one, for the bake one, I'm going to use my fish roe. To make my meat or the bake sushi creamy, I'm going to add cream cheese. But I'm going to use basically the same flavors. Like the soy sauce, my rice vinegar, rice seasoning. I bought this the last time I went to an Asian store. It says furikake. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. There was a wasabi flavored one, but I bought the salmon one. And I have here some black sesame seeds, my wasabi, real mayonnaise. Don't use the mayo dressing. I don't have the sushi rice or any short grain rice with me, so I'm going to make do with my long grain jasmine rice. And I forgot to tell you we need refined sugar also. So here goes. I'm prepping the veggies first. So I'm peeling off the skin of the cucumber and slicing it down to strips or julienne cuts. So here's my cucumber slices, julienne slices. My carrots, I'm just gonna have these as toppings for the no-bake version. They're gonna mimic the fish roe for the meat one, the baked one, so the no bake will have carrots. If you have a food processor, I have one actually, but I'm not gonna use it because I end up washing everything else, washing all the small appliances. So I'm gonna use my own knife and chopping board to make minced carrots. Cut them into strips first and then mince them all together. It's easier to do that way. I'm only doing a sushi bake and no bake for 2 people. So if you see me do only like a handful of ingredients, because this recipe is only for 2 people. So this is how my mangoes look now. Avocado. We need to scramble the eggs. And you also need your salmon. I'm gonna settle for pre-cooking on a pan and mixing it with my rice all together, cooked already. So I mix my crab stick with the cucumber and the mayonnaise. We're gonna mix our corn kernels with cream cheese. I'm using the spreadable one. So I'm doing a dish for 2 people only. I'm gonna use my rectangular glass containers. It's like an Asian lasagna. You put layers of rice, nori, and your meat or your fruits on top of each other. Now for the assembly. I'm gonna line my glass container with nori for both the bake and the no bake. Here's my sushi bake with fish roe on top. And here's the no bake version with minced carrots on top. Add soy sauce and wasabi when you eat these. Enjoy my baked sushi. Hi, Bangka na Dyan's Kitchen, and to give you today, so that my oven just sounded.